Welcome everyone to an awesome episode of BLB Adventures. It's compilation time! Yeah! We have Monster Jam Steel Titans, Monster Jam Steel Titans 2, and BeamNG crashes like this right here! Boom! Like a Gravedigger! Absolutely get crushed by smacking into Blue Thunder and El Toro Loco. Slow motion. That tire is absolutely destroyed. It is getting crunched. And check out the hood floating in the background. The dude, El Toro Loco, got loose somehow. How did El Toro Loco get loose from that crash and is now going down the track in Gravedigger? Alright, we're going to flip over to Monster Jam Steel Titans. We are in the freestyle park. We got Monster Mutt, the OG Monster Mutt right here. The first one. Oh, sick jump off the ramp and lands it. The coolest thing about Monster Mutt is his flapping ears and the tail wagging. It's like that in real Monster Jam. Oh, backflip. Dude almost got the Monster Jam logo at the same time. That was a sick jump. Oh, a little almost double backflip off the log on the jump. That would have been cool if we're able to pull that off. We're going to do another backflip. We're just keeping it simple. We're going with the single. We landed on the back tire on the jump. That was a little crazy. The freestyle park and Monster Jam Steel Titans 1 is so epic. It is so epic. Oh, what a sick little move by Monster Mutt. We're getting some big air. Of course, with Monster Mutt, you gotta walk the dog at some point. So we'll see if we'll walk the dog. We are just getting started. 28 minutes of epic Monster Jam video game action between BeamNG crashes, Monster Jam Freestyle, Monster Jam Racing, two-wheel challenge, and then we're going to cap off the video with time destruction. Oh, there goes the tongue. How did we lose the tongue of Monster Mutt? Alright, we're going to the cargo container park. Oh, sick! Dude, that was sick. That was like a, I don't know, 1440, like an 1800 move. That was absolutely bonkers. So insane. Absolutely awesome. Oh, just missed. Just missed. We got some awesome action. We got some sick beats. So what we want to do is have some longer videos on the weekend. Because we know it's a weekend, you're just trying to chill. Maybe you want to watch a little BLB Adventures. Maybe the kiddos are watching BLB Adventures. So we want to do longer videos. For that to happen, we need to get this video to blow up. We want this video to absolutely blow up. We want to go, a good video for us gets into the hundreds of thousands. A great video gets into the millions. I'm challenging y'all to see if we could get this video to over 5 million views, over 50,000 likes, and gain tens of thousands of subscribers from it. And if we do that, we're gonna make more long videos on the weekend. Plus, we'll start the giveaways. Oh, Gravedigger! Wow, what a crash! That was awesome. Once again, look at the hood. Look at the hood and down the hill. It's insane. Oh, that air. Slow motion crashes are the best. Absolutely are the best. We're having so much fun hanging out with y'all on the weekend, or you watch this video in a couple of days during the week. Summer, fall, winter, spring, whatever. Let's just keep this video absolutely going. We have so much fun playing these games. Alright, we're on the Island of Speed. We got Bigfoot right now. Bigfoot is going down the road. What is that in the background? Do I see some giant swinging sledgehammers? Yes, we do. And what else is over here? What? We got hay bales? Another monster truck? Oh, dude, we're about to crash into. We did it. We crashed into Superman. Oh, snap. And we got hit by the giant hammers. Here's one of the coolest monster trucks in the latest release of CRD Monster Truck mod for BeamNG is Monster Mutt Galaxy. I've seen the toy. Now we have it in the game. Sick crash. Tires, pieces of monster truck going everywhere. Down the car jump arena. Check out a piece of the body just sliding down the hill. That was awesome. Alright, we're flipping over to Monster Jam Steel Titans 2. We got the two-wheel challenge. We got Jurassic Attack, the Rhino, the Triceratops. Probably a Triceratops because Rhino's not a dinosaur. It is early. We're getting crazy up in here. Alright. What we like to do is get some speed. But first, we're gonna line this bad boy up. Here we go, off the log. Backflip. Just landed it. A nice little save with the front tire. A 4X move. 2,000 points. That gets us a score of a 6. We got one more jump. We're doing some donuts. We're getting a little crazy. Alright. Up, there we go, there we go. We got the back wheel wheelie. And we're trying to turn around, but that got us our perfect 10, folks. That got us our perfect 10. Round of applause. We got there. That is awesome. Now we're going back to Monster Jam Steel Titans, the OG game. We got Son of a Digger, one of our favorite Monster Jam monster truck. If you've seen some of our videos with the boys, we got a Son of a Digger RC monster truck. Dude! Front flip! Yes! Land it! Stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it, stick it! Can we pull off the save? We did it, folks! That was epic! We're gonna go off the log again. Oh, we get some front air. We get the back air. Yes, we got the wheelie. When we do the jackknife, and that's when you go off the jump and stick your nose straight up in air. We are trying to get that into a wheelie, either a back wheelie or front wheelie, depending on how you land. Oh, that was like a sick skateboard move. You've heard me talk about that if you watch some of our back videos. Mess around skateboarding as a kid. I was like a front ollie or a front nose grind in a way. Oh, dude! We jumped over the top of the Monster Jam logo. I was trying to get the logo to fix the body, and now we're under the logo. What the heck? Let's just go to the ramp. Boom! Yes! There goes the rest of Thunder Digger's shell. You can't even recognize the monster truck. Now it's just the steel cage, the frame of the monster truck left. So we gotta get this body back. Here we go. Got our logo. You can recognize Son of a Digger again. We're 10 minutes in our video. We still have 18 minutes to go. 18 more minutes of insane monster truck action. So much fun. Make sure you have subscribed to our channel. You saw the subscribe motion come up earlier. Smash the like button. Share this video on social media. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. We want to get to as many new viewers around the world as possible. When I look at YouTube metrics, people have seen our videos in over 100 countries. That is so insane. We're over 35 million views. We're at 35,000 subscribers. We are trying to get to 100,000 next year. Can we make the jump like some of the other channels we follow? Can we make that jump from the mid-30s to well over 100,000 into the hundreds of thousands to the million? Help us get there, please. I want to get that plaque and hang it proud in our house for the silver play button of getting to 100,000 subscribers. We can't do it without you, the fans who watch our channel. So make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. If you're not old enough, have your parents subscribe to our channel. And let's get this thing going to 100,000. Dude, check out Gravedigger and that explosion. No way. And a little front wheelie, and we're still going. The car is absolutely mangled. You can see part of the front axle is just broken. I don't know how the tires are staying on right now. I don't know if we're gonna make it over the jump. Oh, there goes the tire. We're on 3 wheels and we're still going. There goes the front axle or the back axle. Absolutely broken off. I mean, how is this monster truck still driving? How is this monster truck still driving? That was crazy. Alright, y'all heard the hype horn. We are to our next section. We're back on Island of Speed. We got Bigfoot again. We're getting some insane speed down the railway. We're trying to give y'all an epic crash. Change it to orbit view. Here we go. Dude! Did you see that sledgehammer? And now the giant spinning wheel. We got thrown into the ocean. That was absolutely awesome. If you saw the original video, it was cool. But it's even cooler in this compilation video because we are mashing up so many different mods, so many different highlights of our videos, pieced it all together for 28 minutes of fun. Check out the monster truck underwater. Alright, you see the subscribe button, so we want you to subscribe. Here goes Gravedigger going down with Avenger in front. Can Gravedigger catch up to Avenger? Gravedigger caught up to Avenger. Now they're both going down. No way. We did a front flip of Gravedigger to just make sure I had an insane crash. There goes Avenger in the front. But Gravedigger absolutely crushed down to the steel.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be scared. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more.
Alright, we're flipping back over to Monster Jam Steel Titans 2. We got freestyle action, Megalodon Overcast. That is a sick variant of Megalodon. Overcast variants are so cool. Alright, 2 minutes. Can we pull off a 10? We better. Or at least get above a 9, right? Gotta get at least above a 9. We've been playing this game for a couple of years. Always gotta do some donuts. Always gotta do some donuts because the donuts are cool. Plus, it's an easy way to get X. And we had a nice little backflip action. We're at 5X, 7X. We're already at 5.6. Alright, we got 3/4 of this freestyle to get to 10. We can do it. Alright, let's go to the cargo jump. Let's go to the cargo jump. Dude! What happened? What happened there? That was supposed to be a backflip, and we just like kind of did a nose, like a jackknife kind of jump. That was sick. 8X, 5,000 points. We are there. 9.8. A nice little Megalodon wheelie. That was awesome. Oh, let's do another wheelie. Alright, this is definitely cool. We're having a good old time here. Sick air, front flip, lands it, 5X, to a spin, do some donuts, 8X. This, holy smokes, that was 13,000 points, folks. If I'm keeping track, we're in the mid-20s. This has got to be one of the best freestyle runs I have ever had. I mean, we might get to 30,000 points. So, if you play Monster Jam Steel Titans, I want you to comment below and let me know if you ever got to 30,000 points. I mean, we obliterated this 10. If the score kept on going, we'd be at a 20 or a 30 right now. You know what? Give me a monster truck for real. Get me a Monster Jam. I'm going to show these drivers what's up. I've been playing the video game. So like most gamers, you think you're a pro at everything if you can play the video game. But I'd probably be scared. Kudos. Shout out to all the monster truck drivers out there. Y'all entertain us. So much fun. Alright, we got Zombie in the freestyle park. Dude, nice double backflip. And we didn't break off the arms quite yet. Might be a foreshadow. 17 minutes in, folks. And we're still going strong. Energy is high. Music is awesome. We're hyped. We got so much more action for you. Alright, let's hit up the jump, Zombie. Oh, dude! Talk about some twists and turns. That was an epic crash. I mean, Zombie looks like a real zombie now. It's like, just all beat up. Alright, let's get the logo. It's funny how once you beat up the monster truck so bad and you get the logos, look how dirty Zombie is right now. I mean, Zombie looks like he's been in a, like, playing around doing donuts in the mud. There's like dirt everywhere. Not that clean at all. Check out this aerial view of the donut. You can see the crazy detail of Zombie's face. Probably one of the best attention to detail jobs or designs of a monster truck. Zombie is pretty freaking cool when it comes to the front hood of Zombie. Plus the arms. I mean, the arms are so iconic for Zombie the Monster Truck. Alright, let's go to the cargo park. Nice! Little backflip into a wheelie action. That was cool. And I like how slow the rotation was. It was like it almost emphasized the backflip more. Alright, can we rotate to the front wheels? Just can't quite get there. Yes, we got the unsmile face from Monster Jam. Thank you for rubbing it in. Like, I didn't realize that wasn't that cool. But that was cool. 6X, slid into the rocks, I think we can save it, folks. I think we can save it. Alright, our channel's 4, going on to our 5th year right now. It's been so much fun for the last 5 years making videos. If you haven't heard it before, it just all started when my son was watching YouTube Kids and he was watching all these videos. And I'm like, isn't it cool these people are on TV basically? And you can watch them on YouTube? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, do you want to start a YouTube channel? Would it be cool if other people saw you on YouTube? And he said, yeah. And we just started having fun with it. It is the hardest thing I've ever done. You start getting some momentum and you think, all right, I'm gonna start blowing up. You know, you get that momentum for like 2 to 3 weeks and then suddenly out of nowhere, it just is all gone. And then it takes like months to get the momentum again. We are trying to get the momentum back right now. I mean, we were doing like 150,000 views a day. And right now we're down to, I don't know, 15, 20,000 views today. And this is where y'all can help. Y'all help by clicking and watching the video in full, especially within that first hour, really helps the algorithm. Coming back, watching playlists, sharing the video, liking, commenting. This is how you can help us get to this 100,000 subscribers. Because guess what? When the algorithm likes you, you get more impressions leads to more views leads to more subscribers, and that's what's going to get us to that 100,000. But it's fun, it's a challenge, and it's one of those great lessons in life where, you know, if you have a dream, you just never give up, and all you can do is what's in your control. And what's in your control is do the best you can, and that's all you can do. You give it a shot, you can have something happen. A great analogy that, or saying that was always given to me, is you can't hit a home run if you don't take a swing. And us starting this YouTube channel was us taking a swing. Instead of, you know, always dreaming about, wow, what could happen if we had a YouTube channel? We did it! And honestly, 35,000 subscribers is more than I ever thought we would ever get. So proud of the family's contributions to our channel. So blessed that we have so many people that have subscribed and watch our videos, and it just makes me more motivated to keep this going, make more awesome videos for y'all to smile with us, laugh with us. All right, we are doing some Monster Jam racing, Monster Jam Steel Titans 2, San Diego with El Toro Loco Yellow. We are in first place right now, but man, you can see it. This is a tight race, and there's a lot of places that could trip you up on this course. Like when you're like zigzagging through all these cars and jumps, that is what can screw you up. Still in first place, big air by El Toro Loco. Come on, we are on the last lap. Do not screw it up. Do not screw it up. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, we just lost a Jurassic attack because we cut and it reset us. Darn you, Monster Jam game. We barely cut it. We barely cut it. Alright, check out Jaws. Almost looks like Megalodon. We're on Car Jump Arena, BeamNG Drive. We got some more crashes for you. Here goes Jaws going down the track. Yes! Yes! Dude! Complete front flip! Oh, that would have been so sick if we landed that. But you know what's more sick? You know what's more epic? An awesome crash. 2 wheels off. Body explosion. We are back at the Island of Speed. Comment now, just like the animation shows. We want to hear from y'all. Tell us how much you love this video, how you're sharing it with your friends, and you're subscribed to the channel. That would be cool. And also, if you have any requests of monster trucks or mods you want to do videos, comment about that also. Here goes Toro Loco. going down the road, 79 miles per hour. We're coming up on the monster trucks. We're coming up on the hay bales. There goes. Absolutely destroy the hay bales. Slow motion. Crashes into Superman. Yes. All right. Can we get to the sledgehammer? Can we get to the sledgehammer? Oh, just missed. Can we get to the sledgehammer? Oh, we got through the sledgehammers. But here comes the giant spinning wheel. Can we get to the giant spinning wheel? Slow motion. It's so intense. Can we get there? Here we go. Oh, the chain just clipped us. Yes. 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 All right, here we go. We got some more action here. This lime green monster truck is one of Braden's favorites, so that's why we had to put it in the video, because he was like, all right, give me this monster truck. Oh, that was sick. I love when we do the rotations and we try to do the flips on the ramp, because it makes for such an awesome explosion. All the tires, all the bodies off, into the pool, splash down. Here we go. We got Gravedigger again. We are going down the road, wrapping up this video. It's been so much fun hanging out with everyone. Happy weekend if you're watching this video today. There goes Gravedigger. Oh, that was epic. Alright, we're wrapping up this video, folks. This is the last feature of our compilation. We are doing timed destruction with Megalodon. This is going to be cool. This is the OG Megalodon, not the Overcast, the OG. Let's cap this off with a W here. Let's get first place. All right, we're off to a good start. 10x, 12x, 13x. Oh, you got to get the fence. The fence is money. You want to rack up the X in time construction, find the fence. Look at us. 41x, 44. We are above 50x now. We are getting up there. 57x, 300,000. That puts us in first place already, but there's still a minute 20 to go. A lot can happen. Hopefully you're all enjoying the action, the commentary, the music, all of it together. It's awesome. If you're still watching now, you definitely been enjoying the video. We got only a minute and change left of this compilation video, so I'm going to start the thank yous now. Thank you for watching another great video from BLB Adventures. Hopefully you've been watching our gamer channel only, BLB Gamer. Later this year, we're launching our family channel, which will be BLB Family Adventures. It'll be a lot of different action, just taking you inside our family. Some of the silliness, some of the frustration, some of the joy, some of like, oh my god, can you please listen to me? If you're a parent, you know what I'm talking about when it comes to kids. Sometimes they're awesome, they listen to everything you say, they amaze you, and other times they just won't listen at all, and you're like, oh my god, come on. We got this stuff. Thank y'all for watching. We out. Peace.